Hi, it's Topeka, aka your hair restoration expert. Today's class is about blow drying the hair. So she has been rinsed out from the her conditioner, and now she is ready for blow drying. And so I like to start in the back of the head. Depending on the hair texture, you may have to take smaller sections, but for her texture, my section doesn't have to be that small. And so um, have your client hold their head down when you do the back section of the head, or you know, your cousin, whoever may do your hair. I'm gonna spray a little leave-in on her hair because this is going to protect it from the heat. And so now she is ready to go. Got my blow dryer. And what I like to do with natural hair, just to make sure that the tangles are out, I use a wide tooth comb first. And so the wide tooth comb is going to help smooth all the kinks out. So kink free, no kinks. Hold your head down, please. Have your client or your cousin, whoever may be blow drying your hair, hold your head down, please. Hold your head all the way down. Don't look up. Keep your head down. But I want them to know that it's important that body language is that your body is lining up with what I'm doing. So you hold your head down, then that'll help me to get in it. And so I'm just basically getting the water out right now with the wide tooth comb. And so now I'm going to take my dimming brush. With the dimming brush, I'm going to go in, put a little tension. And as you can see, my nozzle is not directly on the hair. My nozzle is fanning down the hair shaft, allowing the hair to lay, allowing the cuticles to lay. And so I am fanning down the hair shaft, and this technique is going to have your cuticles sealed right from blow drying the hair. And so it stops for me right there. And so I'm not going to abuse that section. I'm going to go with this section, and I'm going to do the same thing. Take my blow dryer, fan it over, filling the cuticles, following all the way down the hair shaft. Same thing. Hold your head down, please. It is important that you hold your head down so that you do not get burned. And so now I only did one stroke, and so I see areas where I need to go in so I can silk it out a little bit more. And so what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to go in, dry that excess water off her scalp, and I'm going to go in a different direction so that I don't put all of that heat in the same direction. And so I'm going to take the brush and I'm going to pull it out, and I'm going to go in. And I'm not touching the hair. I'm letting the brush comb through as the heat lay down the hair shaft. I'm going to take this hair and pull it down. I need a little bit more right here. I need a little bit more help. And so I grab the hair and I smooth it out. And I'm going to take that section down so I don't overheat it. I'm going to take this section and I'm going to go up, smoothing out the hair shaft without touching the hair with my dryer. I am using my comb, my brush, whatever tool that you blow dry with best to just smooth the hair out without touching the hair shaft. And so the same thing. I'm taking her up the shaft to smooth it out underneath, and so that I don't abuse it with heat. And I'm not touching it. I'm just allowing the blow dryer to do its work, and I am holding my comb, my brush, so that it can smooth the hair out. And so basically, before I'm done with this one section, she will be silked, where I only have to apply a small amount of heat to smooth her hair out. A very small amount will be applied to her hair to smooth it out, because my blow drying technique is efficient to smooth it out and have her cuticles closed even before I do any curling. And so let's just say you have that client that has a little bit stubborn hair that don't want to cooperate. If you own a round brush, this is your best friend. You'll lower your heat, take your heat down to a lower setting with the round brush because it has metal on it, and if it gets too hot, it can burn the hair as well. And so this is my favorite brush. As you can see, it's beat up, but I love it. And so I'll take a piece of her hair that just don't want to cooperate, and I put the brush in, and I go over it from the top with low heat, and just allow it to pick it up. Remove your brush and just let it smooth on out for you. If you have that client that just have those tight curls and you need it to smooth out for you. And so you'll take the brush, you go underneath the hair and just let it rest. But you rolling your brush so that you do not, I'm not touching it with the brush. I'm allowing the brush to do the work for me. You go back in, you hold it up, and work that hair out. Work that hair. Just roll it on out. Roll it on out. And then it's gonna lay for you. You can use your round brush to help you in your blow drying techniques with curly hair because the teeth are so fine, they're gonna make the hair even smoother and silkier. And so she already has a natural shine already because of the shampooing technique that I use. And so now that I'm blow drying it with the different tools, smoothing her out, she is gonna be ready. And so I'm just combing it through, making sure that I get all the kinks out before I put my brush in because I want it to glide through. And so my client here is going through treatments to restore her hair from being dry. And so now I'm gonna put my brush in and I'm gonna allow the heat to do the work for me. As you can see, the heat is doing the work for me. I don't have to put the blow dryer on top of the hair. I just let the blow dryer work for me, going up and down the shaft, concentrating on the cuticles to get them to lay. And when they lay, they just gonna fall. And so same thing here. Just concentrating on the cuticle to get it to lay so that it's closed. So we don't want our clients going out with their cuticles open because that is how they lose their hair. So same thing applied up here, going down the hair shaft, down the hair shaft. And so as we go a little closer, I want you to see that the blow dryer actually will lay the cuticles down for you. If you go slow, you have to go slow and just let the heat do the work for you. And so then I'm gonna change my direction because you don't want the heat to be in the same spot. And so I'm gonna make this section, I'm gonna put my brush through it and I'm gonna just glide it back. Glide it back. Do like a little tap. So you tap, but not where you letting it sit on her hair or his hair. And then you take it back. And so then you'll lay that hair down and then you'll go to the next section and you take that hair back, take it back and follow through. And then you comb that forward, get it out your way. You did the work already. So you'll take it back, comb it through. And see, she already got a shine. And I just did a very basic blow dry. And so you'll take it back, let the heat lay those cuticles down. And then you pull it through. Same thing applies. Down the hair shaft, down the hair shaft, down the hair shaft. And you may have those little stubborn areas. So you'll just tap. The cuticle gonna lay right down for you. It's gonna lay down for you. Look at that. Very easy for me, but I'm sharing with you because these are techniques that I've used for years to help maintain the health and the integrity of my clients' hair, and they work. You find that nut, that stubborn spot, you take that heat and you put it in a different direction until you smooth it out. But never go back over the same area multiple times, because that can create damage. And we don't want that. We want our client's hair to grow. And so whenever you're working with the hairline, you want to have your client to tilt their head. And so that way, if their head is tilted, then you can get in on a different angle. With the blow dryer, you hold it up and you just glide up the hair shaft. Glide up the hair shaft. Let the blow dryer do the work for you, and you just glide with your brush. So she's shined up. She is ready to be pretty much styled. And so thank you for your time. I hope that these blow dry tips help. If you try them, watch the video, and it will show you. I will show you what the end result look like. But trust me, those techniques will help you. It will change the direction of your clientele. It will change the hair health of your clients, and it'll make your work so much easier. Thank you.